Hi guys, so leo nataka ku have a small discussion about kuwa a regional hub. So in the news lately kumekuwa na a lot of discussion about Singapore. Na one of the things ambazo ilifanya Singapore ikuwe Singapore ni that ili build a reputation for being a regional hub for between Middle East na East Asia. Na hiyo ndio ilifanya hiyo place grow. So ukikuja East Africa, sisi ndio like the regional hub for the Eastern African corridor. Countries kama Rwanda na Ethiopia zimekuwa zikipush hiyo mantle kujaribu kuchukua hiyo mantle from us. But leo specifically nataka kuongea juu ya Addis. So one of the things ambazo like quietly imekuwa happen ni that Addis Ababa imekuja kuwa like almost a top economy in Eastern Africa. So for example, ukiangalia top 10 economies in Africa, Kenya ni number 5 at around 140 billion na Ethiopia ni number 6 at 125 billion. Right now, Ethiopia, from their power generation, wanna make almost just below 10,000 megawatts of power. Now, as I've been mentioning mara mingi on this platform, ni that Kenya iko just below 4,000 megawatts. So, ukiangalia in terms of attractiveness ya industries, an industry will much prefer to set up in Ethiopia because access yao to power ama cheap power iko very accessible as compared to Kenya. So if you're an international investor, especially hizo two factors za power na population zina kudraw closer to Addis Ababa than Kenya. Some of the things ambazo mtu anapatanga from kuwa a regional hub inakuaga, one, unakuaga na a lot of foreign direct investment. Na hiyo ndio foreign direct investment mostly in the billions. The next thing ni una generating a lot of jobs and revenue in your economy. The third and last thing ambayo haikuangi imefikiriwa sana ni that kuna kuanga na a lot of skills transfer, especially ukiwa an international company. Wakikuja kuset up hapa, wakianza kutrain your people, kuna a lot of skills ambazo ni international standard skills zinatransferiwa to the local now population, na hiyo kitu inasaidianga an economy grow. Going back now to power, kama hamna enough power generation, hamtaweza kupool the kind of industries ambazo zinahitajika ku set up in your country. Kama cost of power iko very high, which it is compared now to countries like Ethiopia, most investors watataka kuinvest more in Addis Ababa than in Kenya. So hiyo ndio our competitive advantage tutakuwa lose moving forward. Na hii ndio some of the things ambazo like we really need to step up our game. So Ethiopia sahi wana put billions in investment in upgrading their power grid. Sasa sisi moving forward, sisi between now and 2030, most of our power, additional power, itakuwa inatoka from geothermal power. Na kwa hiyo geothermal power, nilikuwa naangalia the planned power generation tuna hope for between now and 2030 ni around 1,000 megawatts. 1,000 megawatts in the next almost like 4 or 5 years. In that same period, Ethiopia wametoka ku add additional hydroelectric power, but wamesha sign contracts na Russia to add an additional 2,400 megawatts of power. So hii ndio the thing ambayo najaribu ku point out to most people. Already they are producing more power than us at a cheaper level, and wana add additional power between now and 2030. Hiyo ndio some of the things sasa tunajaribu ku stress that we really need, ndio tuweze ku compete, lazima to put our best foot forward. Tuanze ku onboard all these sources of energy that we have. We need kuanza ku have additional coal power plants ambazo zina generate maximum power, ndio tuweze ku compete in this race ya kuwa regional hub.
Anyway, share hii video with as many people as possible, ndio tuanze hiyo journey ya kushift people's perception about coal power, ndio tuweze ku compete especially in our region and also in the world.